it's most important that the upper management of all fire departments accept and realize that proper care and maintenance of PPE is a value that the organization must have, and they need to support the people that are going to take on the challenge of seeing that the gear is properly maintained and inspected. Some departments opt to do this in-house, and but there's a strong learning curve there, and it's important that you have consistency. This can't be something that's just passed on from one person to another person to take on this responsibility. And I think we're also seeing that some departments start out perhaps doing it in-house and realize what a major undertaking it is, and they've now opted to look at outside services to come in and look at the entire process of care and maintenance, and this includes inspections, testing, repairs, and having replacement gear available to the fire departments. And I think this is something that an industry that has emerged in recent years and is going to continue to grow. Contaminated gear, soiled gear, loses its thermal protective capacity. We looked at some studies that were done by the Portland Fire Bureau, and they did the flame test that's required by NFPA. This is the direct flame test where a fire is put directly under a fabric for, I believe it's 12 seconds, and then removed to see if it self-extinguishes. With clean gear, it does that. With the contaminated gear that they looked at, the thermal liner, the part that's against your skin, we actually, in that test, saw that the thermal liner glowed for 8 seconds. And as a firefighter, consider what that would be like to have something red hot glowing against your skin for 8 seconds. That's going to be a 3rd-degree burn. And I think we have to understand that, that is the line of defense between the firefighter and fire. And we have to value our PPE much more than we have in the past.